Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today I picked out 5 of my favorites, so if you like to check them out, hang on. Also, the Revolution wax is out and we'll find 5 winners in this episode. If you like to win, comment in the comment section down below. First up, we have Spiky hair, short on top. Check it out.
My father told me when I was young, don't play with fire, be careful son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burned the cities down, down. Before you learned to listen, you won't be lonely if you fall in love. Over and over again and again.
Up next, we have medium long, classic texture. And remember, today we're giving this away to 5 lucky people. Write in the comment section down below. Up next, we have the hair transformation. It will be a high skin fade with a side part. Now for one of my personal favorites, it's the hawk undercut. It's really short on the sides, short on top, spiky textured, griff. Check it out. Now for the last part, we have the medium length slick back. It's just like on the poster, but better. And it's busy here in the warehouse. As I said, we just released the Revolution wax. There's thousands of orders going out, right, Mikkel?
Yeah, man, we are super busy.
Come in. But first of all, I hope you enjoyed this 5 favorite episode, and please comment in the comment section down below if you like to have a chance to win 5 of these Revolution waxes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.